So it's against you in the room here. Anybody else can join in. It's against you on the floor. 4,000 is the current bid online in East Sussex. 4,000. Would you like 4,250? We're at £4,000 online at the moment. At £4,000, that is the bid. 4,250 says Cornwall. 4,250 says Cornwall. They came in for 4,500 on the floor. 4,500 on the floor. Thank you. 4,500 is the guys. At £4,500. So £5,000 then is the current bid in the floor with us here at £5,000 and it will be sold. It is going for no reserve. I will be selling them at £5,000 on the floor, selling once, selling twice. Sold 669, or is that 699? Ooh, that's definitely the right way around. 669. Yeah. Thank you. Well done, lovely, great choice, brilliant. Thank you very much indeed. So, moving on to the next one, it is the 2009 Range Rover, the L, the coveted L322, Holland and Holland, 5-litre supercharged vehicle, this one. So it is another one, so it is another £100. I believe that's right, eventually. Another one, so I've got 32 here on my books. 32 on the books, looking for 34. Got 34 online. Thank you. I've got 36 with me. So contact me with the commission online at £36,000 with me. So looking 36 with me, looking for 38 I'll see. So at with me at 36, looking for 38. Yes. Maybe 43 by now. Look for 43 for the next bid, currently at £42,000. Looking for 43 at £42,000 there. Online, in East Sussex at £42,000.
Sorry. francs to call her. Start living here with me at 18,000, please. 18, 19, I have 19, 20,000. 20,000 is very tough. 20,000. With me at £20,000. So there's finally one plus with 22 seats on board. I got £20,000. £20,000 liability, 21, 21, I've got 22. You've got 23, I've got 24. 24,000. Commissions at £24,500 then, with Mark's commission bidder at £24,500 then. Final warning then, all done, 24,500. Let's, we'll submit that. 912, 24,500. Number 231 is the Jaguar F-Type 3.0 is convertible. Again, it's one over review for fully electric performance. Fully electric performance seats with memory. Classic Jaguar colour combination. It's only got 34,000 miles. 34,000 miles is all the end of time. Starting here, I've got 15,000, that's what I have, 15, 16, 17, 18,000 now, 18,500 now, I've got 18,500, 19,000, 19,500 pounds now, 19,500 pounds. From Merseyside at 19,500 pounds now, for the F-Type Jaguar at 19,520. Thank you very much. On the telephones now, and 20,000 pounds, you're against Merseyside. £22,000 is the winner.